this video I'm going to be demoing my Flying CAD program. It's just a simple CAD program that lets you fly around the objects that you create, either under gravity or without gravity. I wrote the program in C# using Windows Presentation Foundation, WPF. I did not use a game engine, so all the trigonometry, physics, collision detection, I did it all myself. Any scene you create in the Flying CAD program can be saved to a file in XML format, and objects can be imported from XML files. Come over here, we can see the camera. Here I can zoom out and zoom in. I can pan up, I can pan down. I can turn to the left, I can turn to the right. I can move left and right relative to the direction I'm facing. Also move back and forth. And I can move up. Zoom out. And if I turn on gravity, I will accelerate to the ground and bounce. Let's turn it off now. Over here, this is my working block, and I can adjust its I adjust its parameters so we can see it change. So let's go ahead and change the height and depth. I'm going to build a shelter. This will be my north wall. I can give it object a name, or it will just have a default name added. So let's go ahead and add another wall. And one more wall. Change the color of our block. This will be my roof. Change it not so thick. Change the depth. Move it back a little. Go ahead and add that. Alright, so now I should be able to jump up on my ceiling here. Let's go ahead and turn on gravity. Also add other objects. If I click here, I have a choice to add a tree. Alright, see this tree's in my house right now. Let's go ahead and move it away from the shelter and put it on the ground. Let's give it a little depth, a little width. I'll go ahead and add that. Go ahead and add another tree. Make this one a little bit taller. Alright, and maybe just one more tree. This one even bigger. Give it a little bit more depth and width. And we'll add that one. Alright, we can also have a variety of different colors for our working block. So let's go ahead and put our working block away and oops. Where's our working block? Oh, yeah, here we go. Back to a block. And maybe 40. Zoom out and let's check out some different colors. There's red, blue, yellow, magenta, lime, and gray. And that's pretty much all of them. Let's go here. We can also create a grid of objects based on our working block. So let me get a nice tower here. 1, 2, 3. So now I can create a grid of these objects. If I come over here and just look at this forest thing. So now we got a grid of objects. We can also import objects and export objects in XML. Let's go ahead and import an object. You see here's XML. There's our imported object there. We can also create a grid of trees if we wanted. So let's go ahead and change the parameters a little bit. Move it off a little bit off. Okay, let's go ahead and move our grid. Alright, now that we got got some objects to fly around in.